Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to expand your home phone system but weren't sure how? Maybe you've just moved into a new place, or maybe you want to add a phone extension to a different room. Whatever the reason, adding a device to your Ooma account is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. Ooma is a popular choice for home phone systems because it offers a variety of features, including unlimited nationwide calling, voicemail, and caller ID. One of the great things about Ooma is its flexibility. You can easily add or remove devices as needed to suit your changing lifestyle. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Ooma account. The first step is to log into your Ooma account. You can do this by visiting the Ooma website and clicking on the Login button. Navigate to the Devices page. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Devices page. This page will show you all of the devices that are currently connected to your Ooma account. Add a device. To add a device, click on the Add Device button. This will bring you to a page where you can select the type of device you want to add. Select your device type. Ooma offers a variety of device types, including landline phones, wireless phones, and Ooma teleporters. Select the type of device you want to add. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've selected your device type, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. This may involve entering a serial number or activation code. Connect your device. After you've entered the required information, connect your device to your Ooma base station. Verify your device. Once your device is connected, Ooma will verify it. This may take a few minutes. Start using your new device. Once your device is verified, you can start using it. Troubleshooting. If you're having trouble adding a device to your Ooma account, check the Ooma website for troubleshooting tips. Ooma support. If you're still having problems, you can contact Ooma support for assistance. Adding a device to your Ooma account is a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to expand your home phone system and enjoy all the benefits that Ooma has to offer. Have you added a device to your Ooma account recently? Share your experience in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.